Hi there, I got in the mail today my SnackNation subscription box. Super happy and excited, and looks like they are following the Valentine's Day theme. Here's what I see as I open. Ah! See if we can do a thumbnail. Alright, let's see what they got in here for this time around. Hopefully some really good stuff. I'm going to put a link below to SnackNation. It is something that I subscribe to through Amazon, which just makes it super convenient and easy, and then also super easy and convenient if I ever want to cancel. So I like that. Alright, so we have some Go Light Sweet Maui Onion Popped Chips. Those could actually be pretty good. We've got some Just the Cheese aged cheddar crunchy toasted cheese. Crunchy toasted cheese. That sounds scary. That might be one for Jay. We'll see. We've got two of the caramel chocolate bites from Awake Company. All the cute little owls on them. We've got a Detour Smart Apple Cinnamon Oatmeal Bar. That'll be something that Jay will enjoy. We have a coconut macaroon from a company called Poppy's. I've never been a macaroon fan myself, but maybe Jay will like that. A lot of this stuff Jay's gonna get. A Country Archer beef stick, jalapeno spicy. Hola. Okay, so that is also something Jay is definitely gonna get. I'm going to review the things in here that I feel like have a chance of me liking them. I'm not going to review the stuff that I absolutely 100% know that I would not like, because I don't feel like that's really fair to the product. Okay, two of the You Love Fruit Simply Mango. I'm going to enjoy those. But I've got a link to the review channel below in the description of this video if you're interested. Stroop Waffle Caramel. I have had this product before. And I've actually reviewed it before, so I can already tell you right now, Stroop waffles are so good. They carry them at Big Lots if you want to get some. Cauliflower pretzels. Cauliflower pretzels. Interesting. Might be good. Some ZZ's honey roasted sunflower kernels. Cool. So two of these Shanty Minty, the superfood protein bar nut butter chocolate chip. Okay, two of them. I like it when they send two of stuff, because then I can get one and then Jay can have one. Justin's dark chocolate cashew butter cups. Not a huge fan of dark chocolate, so I'll probably pass this on to Jay, because he does like dark chocolate, so he might really like that. Here's some more dark chocolate. Dark chocolate sea salt cashews. This is from the Marich Company. Okay, Enjoy Life breakfast fruit and ovals. Chocolate chip banana. Feels like kind of like a granola-y type of breakfast bar. I haven't been a huge fan of a lot of those so far. Grain-free, or hold on, excuse me, Lesser Evil is the brand name. Clever. Grain-free Paleo Puffs, Himalayan pink salt. These I might like. Some Popcorners, sweet and salty kettle corn. I do like Popcorners, the ones that I've tried. I think I have tried the kettle corn before, but I'll have to go back and check. But I do like Popcorners as a brand in general. I like what they got going on over there. Briard's famous cookies, salted caramel cookies. Birds, BYRDYDS, Byards. I'm not sure. I'd have to hear it said. Poor people. I'm slaughtering your last name. My goodness. Let's see here. Pears Gourmet, everything bagel, flavored cashews. Everything bagel flavored cashews. So they are bagel flavored cashews with everything on them. Interesting. That's very interesting. I'm actually kind of interested in trying these. Could be good. May not, but could be. The best bar ever, peanut butter crunch. It's just looks like, yeah, just a food bar. So it's like a snack bar, food bar, granola type of bar, with or maybe without granola. Paleo Caveman Protein Salted Almond Butter Protein Bar. Pass this on to Jay. Now I've had this before, the Jana Banana. This is with coconut. And it's a bar. These are pretty good. If you like banana, of course. If you're not a banana fan, you probably wouldn't care for them. McClure's potato chips, kettle cooked, Brooklyn, Detroit, spicy pickle. Spicy pickle! Spicy pickle, huh? Interesting. Cooper Street, chewy granola bakes, oatmeal cranberry. That might be good. I like cranberry quite a bit. Seems like the older I get, the more I'm liking some of the tartar fruits out there. Sour cherry double chocolate crunch, Lily's sour cherry. Just saying sour cherry makes my my mouth want to pucker. Little Secrets, shh, dark chocolate pieces. Okay, so it's a candy coated shell chocolate treat. And then last but not least is Emmy's Organic Coconut Cookies. These are vanilla bean, which I think I've had these before. I'll have to check, but I'm pretty sure I have. But yeah, I'd say that there's going to be a few things that are going to find their way to Jay, but quite a few of these things I think we're going to be able to give a go ourselves, and I'll be reviewing my review channel. So if you have subscribed to the SnackNation box, let me know what your thoughts and impressions are with this specific box. If you are subscribed to any other snack boxes out there, let me know which one you're subscribed to in the comment section below. I'm always curious to see what kind of subscriptions people are enjoying and what they're liking and disliking about them. I will put SnackNation's link below, and yeah, thank you so much for watching. Oh, and also, by the way, they do have multiple options as far as how many snacks you get. They have an 8 snack box, they have a 15 snack box, and they have a 25 snack box. So you can, get what suits your needs and what, interests you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.